Hi guys, I'm Conrad and welcome to Show You, brought to you by HomeRenoGuru, Singapore's #1 renovation portal. When I say hinges, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Are you ready? Hinges! Nothing, right? You don't think about hinges until something goes wrong. And when it does, it can go terribly wrong. I'll show you. Imagine if a pet or even a child gets hit. For years, the industry gold standard has been soft closing hinges from Europe. But there's a premium quality Singapore brand of a hinge on which the reputation of an entire company, well, hinges. I'll show you. XL hinges. XL hinges are made from the highest quality, highest grade stainless steel in the market. And to top it all off, XL hinges come with a lifetime warranty.
Hey, I remember these. XL hinges they are, huh?
The Guru.
Hey! I haven't finished yet. What was I saying? Yeah. XL hinges come with a lifetime warranty.
The Guru has spoken.
While XL has built its reputation for excellence on a premium quality hinge, it has grown its business to embrace an ever-expanding range of home solutions, including storage and organization, whole system wardrobe, furniture, hardware, fixtures and fittings. Shop now at xlhw.com.sg. XL, a Singapore brand. Thanks for watching Show You, brought to you by HomeRenoGuru, Singapore's #1 renovation portal. I'll see you guys next time.